think you should.
What's up, J Riders? Welcome to another video. Now, I didn't get a chance or the opportunity to tell you guys, but I want to say Happy New Year's to each and every one of you guys. I hope you all achieve every goal, everything that you want to do for 2020. I have a lot of goals that I want to set. One of them is losing weight, and I'm sure it's a lot of people goals for a lot of people is losing weight. But I'm getting ready to start a business, and I will let you guys know that, and I'm going to pray and manifest a successful business for 2020. All right. Also, another goal of mine is I'm going to keep negative people. I'm going to stay away from negative people because negative people bring negative energy onto you, and then it just ruins your whole day. And I ain't got time for fake people to laugh in my face and then talk about me behind my back. Because if you're true to me and you're a good friend of mine or whatever the case may be, and you don't mean no harm intentions, you wouldn't be talking about me behind my back. Okay? I'm just saying. Anyway, guys, I came into, I just flew in from California. I brought in my New Year's in California, and I had a wonderful time. And I spent Thanksgiving and Christmas with my children, and then brought in the New Year's in California. But today I was so devastated. I thought I broke my damn scale, but I didn't. But I thought I did. When I got on that scale and that scale told me how much I weighed, I damn near almost passed out. I had to grab the curtains and shit, and I was damn near, y'all know I'm dramatic, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, I damn near was grabbing the curtains, and I almost fell out. But anyways, I'm not even gonna tell y'all that number. Maybe I'll tell y'all later. But I'm done eating. I'm not even gonna eat today. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna have a shake. So anyways, I'm at the nail shop. Got to get my nails done. And I know some of you guys love to see feet pictures. I don't know why, but y'all so infatuated with my feet. So about to get my nails done and my feet done, and I'm gonna share that with you. I just got a car wash, cleaned out this car. And then, what else I got planned today? I gotta go to Best Buy. One of my gifts for Christmas was a gaming computer. And y'all know I'm on Twitch trying to game. I'll leave that link down below so y'all can follow me just in case y'all want to just check me out sometime. But also, I want to tell y'all, one of my biggest New Year's resolution is to make videos every day. And I'm just a day or too late. But guess what? I'm here, and that's going to be one of my, y'all better hold me to that. So anyways, I'm so excited, y'all. God is good to me, and I'm so blessed. All right, I got some good things coming up for this year. All right. So now, if you don't know, one of the biggest things that I'm going to be doing at the beginning of this year is I may be moving. Now, where I'm moving to, I don't know, but my lease is up, so I got to move soon. And y'all got to be following me. Y'all gonna see what's gonna be going on. Anywho, let me get into this nail shop. Oh, after this, I gotta go to Best Buy. I think I already said that. I talk too much. I'm trying to talk fast, and yeah, I gotta go to Best Buy because I got the gaming computer, and I gotta get a monitor and an Elgato and a camera or something. I don't know. My son hooking that up. So, anyways, I'm loving my new camera. I hope the quality is better. This phone is $1,300. Why would I go out and buy another damn camera for $600-700 when I bought this phone for $1,300? Hell no, I'm using this phone to record. Okay, I'm just saying that's just way too much money, and I ain't got it like that. All right, guys, let's go in here get these nails done. And I just want to say, guys, I love you. You know, you guys been sticking with me through all these tough times and good times. All right. All these people going into the nail shop. Damn. All right, see you in a second. Quick update. Do y'all see this? I did not get my nails done. And I'm going to tell you the reason why I didn't get my nails done. My nail tech called in sick. Girl. So anyways, because I really like her, she takes her time and do all these beautiful things to my nails that I'm going to wait. So I'll probably be back. That's going to be probably in the next video. I was thinking about going to my daughter, the place she get her nails done. But then I did that before, which they did a good job. But I don't know. I just like my nail tech, okay? So anyways, I just pulled up to Best Buy. I'm about to get off. I'm gonna get out this car and head and sit here, and I'll get to share with you guys what I'm about to buy. I don't even know what I'm about to buy. Let me lock my door. I don't know. I need a monitor, I need a camera, and an Elgato. Those are the 3 things. So, and I gotta call my son and see exactly about what I need. Today's a beautiful day today. I hate I'm walking around with chipped toenail polish. Ugh, that's ugly. All right. See you in a second. What's up, J Riders? It's your girl Justine, and I'm back with another video. So today's video is my new setup, my new gaming computer setup. I'm about to show y'all all the pieces I got to my gaming system. Let me tell you something. I want to scream and yell. I'm so excited. I don't know what to do. But I got a gaming PC for Christmas, and I'm so fucking excited. Excuse my language. All right, so I want to show you guys, because I know there's a lot of people out there that game that may be into videos like this and want to see what people's setup is like, because I was like that. And so I want to show you pieces I got. So let me go ahead. I'm excited. My son Malik is over here helping to hook up everything. And I just want to show you the pieces I got. All right, so this is my gaming desktop that I got. And then right here, just for anybody that want to know what I have, here is the serial number and all that.
Not the serial number, the specs.
Oh,
the
the
specifications. i7, the RTX 2070, 16 gigabytes of RAM, like all that. Solitary state drive.
Yeah, see, that's why I got him here, because he's able to explain this stuff way better than I am. Okay, so then on top of setting up the gaming system, we got the webcam, because you got the guys have to be able to see me while I glaze those foods. And then right here is the Elgato. What is this for?
Come here,
okay. What is the Elgato for?
Just the basically just have whatever showing up on one screen show up on another. Basically, it's gonna just show your game quality on your stream in 60 frames per second.
Right.
Best gaming capture card.
Well, yeah, that's a capture card. Yeah. And then over here we have the gaming monitor. And this is what's important. This is what Malik told me. What is that?
This is a refresh rate. Don't really know what that is, but 1 second response time. That's like the time from when you move it up on your controller is to it register. Basically, is everything just registers way faster and everything, and then all this good stuff. So. Yeah. It's just a good game monitor, good starter. If you're looking for a good starter one, this is great.
Yeah, so this is a great starter one, and there's the name, Azus. And these, y'all see all that. My gaming setup is going to be right here in my room, and it's dirty because I'm cleaning everything off before he set everything up. And this is my PlayStation right here, so my gaming system is going to be right here. I'm so excited, and yeah, I just want to show you where it all's gonna be. I'm falling and I can't get. So Malik, are you excited for me? Tell me, are you excited that your mom got this awesome gaming setup?
Yeah.
Are you gonna come over here and play the game too?
I might have to come over here and play the game.
That's what Marisha said. Marisha said she gonna come over here and stream. Oh my God.
Here we go. This is it. Okay, now look, no. Here it is.
Please see webcam.
Jesus.
Ooh, 2 monitors.
Okay, come on. Where's the gaming piece?
I just gave you this.
No. I want to talk about the gaming piece.
Yeah. Wow.
Go back in there.
I'm fancy. So this Elgato got to get hooked up to what?
Oh, you.
Let me see. This got to get hooked up to.
He's gonna just replace your old. Wait, you don't even got an Elgato.
Yeah, I never had one.
Yeah, you never had one. Tripping.
Okay. You have one table or something?
Give him a little knife so he can open it.
Give him a little knife.
Y'all have to excuse my house because I'm all over the place. And plus, I'm about to move, and my house is a wreck, and I don't really care at this point. So out of the box, he took that out. Okay. And then the dog. He got a cold.
You gotta go. It's too cold out here. 30 degrees is oh my gosh.
Is this high tech or what?
It is.
Is it difficult?
Man, listen, it's big.
Come
And
on.
remember, it's made of glass.
Oh my.
So
Oh,
if I come over here, bump, crack.
oh my God. I'm sorry.
Okay.
What is that?
Keyboard.
Oh, okay. That's last. We'll put that together last. Okay. Okay. You got the. I'm gonna have to hold the box. Can you? You got to grab the middle. Grab the middle, and I'll hold the box.
Hold on, can I even get my hand on it?
Yeah, you can be able to get your hand. Oh shit! Yeah, I go. Damn, my one hand is not enough. They look a little sad. Ooh.
Hurry, because this thing is heavy. Hurry.
Put it down. Wow, my. This is good.
Here you
I
go,
feel
y'all.
like crying.
This is it. This is.
I'll throw that back over there. What's this?
Remember, you gotta keep all these pieces, all these safety pieces.
Oh.
Okay, here. Here you go, good. Maybe that's easy, my door.
Is it glass? Why is that peeled up? Let me see. Why is that?
Wait.
Why is that peeled up already?
Is that supposed to? Whoa. Wait, it like.
Is it dent or
It's like
broke?
broke.
No, that's the way it's made.
Oh, it's made like that.
Is it made like that? Yeah, it's the curve of the angle.
Okay.
What you think? Lil say, did you see it? Leave them alone.
Okay, look. There you go. Yeah, that's how it's going.
Oh,
But wait, it's tissue and everything.
You gotta open that panel up and take that out.
Okay, guys, we're gonna have to come back, but we just did the
Okay, yeah,
unboxing
okay,
so
this
y'all
gonna
can
be
see
one side
exactly how it looks on the outside. We thought this was broke, but this is the way it's made. So see how that's made. So you can peel it off. So we're gonna come back. We got to figure out how to get all this other stuff.
Oh no,
out.
wait. Look, it said, "Hello, Dream PC. Removing protective phone. Slide.
Oh, it slides something out.
Before you begin, you must remove the protecting packet before turning on the system, or the whole system will
explode.
Overheat. No, it'll overheat, and your whole PC will be fried.
So it's something you got to slide.
Slide your panel.
Is it?
Put your
Can
hand
you
against it and slide it towards the back. Towards you.
Okay.
towards him or towards this way?
Hold on, this is glass.
Here it go right here. It tells you the steps right here too.
Okay, well,
See them screws in the back? Are they connected to that panel?
nope, they're connected to the whole back of this. Yeah, to the
Something slides. I don't know if it's this side or the other side.
It says step one, removing the slide panel. First, loosen up and remove the screens from keeping the panel in place. Oh, yep, no, Lucy was right. Yep.
We figured out. Gotta take off some screws.
Now,
Let's see.
there you go.
It's sliding.
Yep.
Okay, let's see.
Now, this is glass. Be careful.
You better be careful. You the one operating it.
This is glass.
Oh, this is real life right here.
Be careful. Because
Take it easy. Because everything in here is very delicate.
yes.
If anything go wrong, this will go back to Best Buy. For sure. But he just got to make sure he ain't pulling on anything. You can look up in there to
Pull it
see.
out.
Don't be too scary. It's just protective stuff. Oh, so you saying I got to save this. Oh.
Graphics card. That mother is huge.
Look at this.
This is the whole graphics card?
Don't touch it with your finger.
Dang, I gotta put this on Instagram.
Whoa.
This is like nerd real.
You got the RGB fans. All those fans light up.
They do?
See the white ones? The ones in the front, the ones in the back.
Oh
Wow.
look at that graphics card.
That mother huge. I thought mine was.
We just plugged up the power. See how all the lights...
It is flicker, yeah.
See how the lights are... Well, okay. What's the next step?
Riding the low now.
Is this the only thing that's going to light up? Is these two wheels? I thought it light up more than that. Maybe that's all it does.
There it is.
Like the mouse is in
Yeah. Because you got a person on camera for that setting. Maybe you don't.
Where the mouse at?
Still on now. Yeah, I got him up. We doing it, y'all. Matter of fact, where's your Ethernet cord? Where that yellow cord is?
It's right there, but I was vacuuming that area. But I just want to show you guys this keyboard, how it look all lit up. It's like a damn rainbow.
Mm-hmm. And the mouse the same way.
Wow. Yeah.
Damn, that's nice.
Oh, I'm about to cry. And my baby putting all this together for me. Look at that.
What's that?
Look at that thing right here. You can even see it from the top, the lights. Oh, my God. So right now we got everything set up right here. I'm going to keep the plastic on because like I said, guys, I'm moving. So that's going to stay on there. And then right now he just put in my settings and everything I need for gaming. And I guess this is pretty much it, guys. Everything is all set up. And after he is done, I will come back and show you the final results. All right. All right, guys, so this is my setup. Right now, I'm playing a game on here on Fortnite. I'm on live right now on Twitch. This is my chat. If your name is here, don't forget to comment down below. Now, I'm not finished saying, look at this. They want to say something. So y'all can say y'all been on YouTube. So anyways,
What you mean how I hook it up?
so this is the two monitors I'm working on. Then I got my Yeti right here and all my gaming stuff. And this is how my system look down right here. Oh my God, I'm so excited. There it is.
The HDMI cord.